What y'all looking at right now is the new and improved version of the Hanko Trade web trader. This is in beta right now, but it's available to all users, right? So everybody could come on here and use this new version. It's been out for like a month, I believe. So I'm about to just give y'all a little bit of updates, you know what I mean, on what they done changed on the platform. Let y'all know my opinion, because y'all know I've been using Hanko Trade for years. So all the updates and stuff that done happened, I've seen them all. This is definitely the best version of the platform that they ever released. It's the cleanest it ever been. This is the cleanest that the UI, which is the user interface, right? All of this stuff that y'all seeing all over here. This is the cleanest that this has been since I've been using this platform, right? And it's only getting better and better. But I'm gonna go over some of the things with y'all and let y'all know what's going on. Hanko Trade is the best Forex trading platform that you can use if you trade like CFD, right? If you trade Forex, gold, anything like that on a unregulated broker, you definitely gonna want to be using Hanko Trade. I'm gonna tell y'all why. They let y'all get a deposit bonus on every single deposit that you make, right? No other broker in this space does that. From all of my years of trading, I done tried so many different brokers. No broker give you a deposit bonus on every deposit you make, right? Hanko Trade does that though. So instead of like wasting endless money on prop firm evaluations, bro, use your own money, get the bonus, and then trade your own capital, bro. It's literally the same thing. If you spending $500 a week on evals, you can literally put that $500 in a Hanko Trade account, use the code Kenzo 400%, and you will have a $2,000 account instantly without you having to have no crazy rules, right? They don't got no rules on this. It's literally just a regular broker. They give you a deposit bonus on every. I don't know how to make it sound much sweeter than that. But anyway, let's get into the update. If you look at the chart, right, I wish I could show a comparison, but I would have to log out and then log into the old version. If y'all don't know how to get to this beta version, basically when you go to the web trader, right, trade.hankotrade.com, it'll say try the new Hanko Trade beta, and you can use that, and then it'll take you to this version, which is just so much cleaner, right? Just look at the chart, for example. Look at how much easier it is to scrub through the chart. It's never been this easy to scrub through the chart, right? So they did a very good thing when they updated this chart, because now it's just way more fluid to be able to like move through it and access what you want to access. We still got all the same time frames, right? 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, an hour, daily, weekly. And every chart and time frame is cool. Like even if you did not want to go and use trading view, yeah, you're not gonna get all those indicators and stuff like that. But they got a couple of indicators you can use. I don't trade with indicators, so it's not a big deal for me, right? Even though I still trade on Trading View, if you did want to chart on here, it's a lot cleaner than it used to be. So you got all these tools on here that you can use right on the side. I'm not finna go through all of those because y'all know what those are already. The next thing they got over here, they got an analytics tab, which is basically like a trade calendar. So if you click on that, it'll basically show you your P&L every day of the week, you know, for the month. You can go back and look at the different data, right? Right here, you got your account information, right? Then you got this alerts tab if you want to set alerts. You also got this new AI Copilot, which is pretty good, right? Because on this, you can actually ask it things about your account. You can ask it things about how your trading performance been, right? It give you a little bit of prompts that you can use, but you can ask it anything. It'll literally go through all of your trade data and tell you what it is about your trading strategy or your trading style that's hindering you, or that what you might be good at it you could fix, right? It'll tell you like the worst pairs that you have, how much money you lost on them. It just goes so in depth with it. But y'all can check out this. I think, you know, the AI assistant is very good. And then they also got a risk calculator, which you could come on here if you don't know how to determine like how much you would get for placing certain trades. Like for beginners, I think having a trade calculator is very good. I used to use this when I first started trading, and I didn't know how to calculate pips and all that, right? But yeah, they got a trade calculator that you can use on here now, and it'll tell you like what you will lose, what you will win if you trade in certain pairs. So we go back over to markets, right? The next thing I want to show you, just look at the user interface. The user interface is way better, right? You got so much. It's basically the same thing it was before. They just basically updated to make it look a lot cleaner. So the same thing, like if I was a place to trade, I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. We're gonna do a 0.01, right? Let's say I buy a 0.01 of US 30, right? You can see, you can still drag the stop loss and take profit on the chart, right? If we want to move the TP up, boom. If we want to move the stop loss down, let me see. We can move the stop loss down. It's literally just that simple, right? And then you can click save changes. Now your trade got a stop loss and take profit on it that quick. You ain't gotta figure out what numbers to type in. You can just do it right there. Another thing you can do is like, say if you, this is called one-click trading right now. You could change this to something else, but I think, yeah, basically one-click trading means you only got to click one button and it automatically places a trade, right? So let's say if you wanted to change your lot size, you literally got this wheel right here that you can scrub. So you ain't gotta like click here and then I want to use 2. I want to do 3. You can literally just, you know, whatever, however many lots you want to do, you can just do it quickly. Another thing they got is you can basically calculate your risk based off of a percentage amount. So instead of you trying to figure it out and say, oh, I gotta put this amount of lots on to make this amount, you can just risk, you know, 1%, and it'll calculate the lot size for you, right? So you got these things right here. Then you also got some little protection features for the stop loss, right? You want to add a stop loss on the trade before you place it, boom. You want to add a TP before you place it, you can literally move it before you even place the trade, right? Same with the stop loss. So this makes it just very quick to be able to do everything that you need to do on a chart. So I'm just showing y'all a little updates that they made. It's nothing crazy. They did do a lot of changes, and they got a lot more updates on the way. Hanko Trade always running a deposit bonus, right? For the last 10 days of every month, they run a 400% deposit bonus, meaning if you deposit $100, you would get $400, right? In trade and leverage. So you will basically be able to open bigger lot size and stuff like that as long as you know how to respect that initial deposit, right? So you can do the 400% deposit every last 10 days of the month, and then throughout the rest of the month it's just a normal 300% deposit bonus, right? Sometimes it'll go down to 200%. It just depends on whatever deal they want to run, but right now they do got the 400% deposit bonus running all the way to this Friday. So Friday, the last day you could do that 400%, meaning if you deposit 1,000, you will get an extra 4,000 on top of your deposit, so you'll have a $5,000 account. I actually calculated that wrong because I said if you deposit 100, you would have a $400 account when you would actually have a $500 account, because it matches your deposit by 400%. So they'll give you an extra 400%. You feel me? So $1,000, you would get a $5,000 account. You put 10,000 in there, they give you 50. You would have a $50,000 account. Bro, it just makes so much sense to trade with them. No other broker is doing this stuff, bro, as far as like the deposit bonus. And this is one of the reasons why I say for people that's trying to build the capital up, this is the best way that you could take. This is better than a prop firm, bro, because you're using your own bread with no rules. You could withdraw your money every day. I don't know why people be stuck on them prop firms, but one more thing. In order for y'all to get that bonus too, you got to send a message to live chat. A lot of y'all be asking me how you get the bonus. You will log into your trading account, deposit some money into it, right? And then you will go over here to support and literally just say, Kenzo 400%. You just put Kenzo 400. Send them that message, and then they're gonna automatically put the money. The agent gonna put the money into the extra bonus into your account, right? So this all you really gotta do. Deposit, send this code into this chat right here once you log in, and they're gonna match the deposit for you, bro. It's literally just that simple. And if you never made an account with them before, click the link in the description down below, man. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Peace.